In the secretive realm of military aviation, the SR-71 Blackbird reigned supreme, a symbol of technological prowess and unmatched speed. For decades it soared above enemy territory, gathering intelligence at altitudes and velocities that left adversaries powerless to respond. Its sleek, iconic silhouette became synonymous with the cutting edge of reconnaissance, and its missions were the stuff of legend. But when the Blackbird was retired, it left behind more than just an empty hangar. It created a strategic void in the skies, a gap that no other aircraft could truly fill. The world's militaries were left searching for a worthy successor, one that could match or even surpass the Blackbird's legacy. Enter the SR-72, the son of Blackbird, a hypersonic marvel conceived by the brilliant minds at Lockheed Martin's legendary Skunk Works. This next-generation aircraft is designed to push the boundaries of what's possible, blending stealth, speed, and advanced technology into a single, formidable platform. The SR-72 isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of aerial reconnaissance and strike capability. With projected speeds exceeding Mach 6, it will travel faster than any operational jet before it, venturing into realms once reserved for rockets and spacecraft. The SR-72 promises to redefine air power on a global scale, ensuring that no place on Earth is beyond its reach. Its ability to cover vast distances in minutes, not hours, will change the very nature of military response and deterrence. But it's not just about gathering intelligence. The SR-72 is envisioned as a true multi-role platform, capable of delivering precision strikes at hypersonic speeds. It can transition from observer to aggressor in the blink of an eye, striking targets before they even know it's there. With its advanced stealth features and blistering speed, the SR-72 becomes a ghost in the military machine, unseen, untouchable, and always one step ahead of the enemy. Shrouded in secrecy, the very existence of the SR-72 is the subject of speculation and intrigue. Whispers of its capabilities and missions only add to its growing legend, fueling imaginations around the world. The son of Blackbird heralds a new era in aerial warfare, one defined by hypersonic speed, global reach, and technological dominance. It represents the relentless pursuit of innovation in the face of ever-evolving threats. The SR-72 is not just an aircraft. It is the dawn of a new age in air dominance, a bold leap into the future of military aviation, where the sky is no longer the limit. The SR-72's mission is rooted in intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, or ISR. This next-generation aircraft is designed to be the ultimate set of eyes and ears in the sky, gathering critical information from hostile environments where traditional aircraft simply can't go. Its advanced sensors and stealthy profile allow it to monitor enemy movements, intercept communications, and provide real-time data to commanders on the ground. In an era of advanced air defenses, the SR-72's unmatched speed and extreme altitude make it an elusive target, nearly impossible to intercept. It can fly above the reach of most surface-to-air missiles and outpace even the fastest interceptors, slipping through the most sophisticated radar networks with ease. Unlike the legendary SR-71, the SR-72 is not just a spy plane, it's a hypersonic hammer. It can deliver rapid precision strikes at hypersonic speeds, hitting high-value targets before adversaries even realize they're under threat. This dual role makes it a game-changer in modern warfare. Imagine striking a target in under an hour from halfway across the globe. The SR-72's range and velocity mean that no place on Earth is truly out of reach. It can respond to emerging threats almost instantly, providing a level of global responsiveness that was once the stuff of science fiction. This dual capability compresses the kill chain, leaving adversaries with virtually no time to react or defend. By integrating surveillance and strike into a single platform, the SR-72 can identify, track, and neutralize threats in a seamless, lightning-fast sequence. The SR-72 is a flexible strategic asset, able to transition from surveillance to strike in an instant. Its modular systems allow pilots to switch roles mid-mission, adapting to changing battlefield conditions and mission objectives on the fly. It streamlines operations, introducing a level of unpredictability that keeps foes off balance and forces them to constantly adapt. This unpredictability is a powerful deterrent, making it difficult for adversaries to plan or mount an effective defense. The SR-72 is more than just a weapon, it's a tool for shaping the battlefield, gathering vital intelligence and deterring conflict before it starts. Its presence alone can influence enemy decision-making and prevent escalation. It projects power without escalating to larger conflicts, embodying the principle of peace through strength. By demonstrating overwhelming capability, it encourages stability and discourages aggression. Delivered at 6 times the speed of sound, the SR-72 redefines what's possible in strategic aviation. It's not just fast, it's a leap forward in how nations defend, deter, and dominate in the skies. The SR-72 is designed to reach speeds exceeding Mach 6, a velocity that pushes the very boundaries of what we consider possible in atmospheric flight. At Mach 6, an aircraft travels over 4,600 miles per hour, nearly 8 times faster than a commercial airliner. This isn't just a step forward, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about speed, distance, and the future of aviation. The SR-72 flies faster than a speeding bullet, able to cross the entire continental United States in under 40 minutes. For comparison, a typical passenger jet would take over 5 hours to make the same journey. At such incredible speeds, the friction between the aircraft and the air generates immense heat, enough to melt or severely weaken conventional metals used in most planes. To survive these conditions, the SR-72 relies on advanced high-temperature composite materials, capable of withstanding temperatures soaring above 2,000 degrees Celsius, far beyond the limits of traditional aerospace alloys. Its astonishing speed is its greatest defense, allowing it to outrun not just enemy aircraft, but also the very decision-making cycles of adversaries on the ground. At Mach 6, traditional air defenses become virtually useless. By the time a threat is detected, the SR-72 is already gone, ensuring its survival in even the most hostile airspace. Operating at extreme altitudes, the SR-72 makes interception attempts even more complicated, flying higher than most jets can reach. It occupies a unique realm in the sky, too high for anti-aircraft missiles to reach, yet too low for space-based anti-satellite systems to target, making it nearly untouchable. The SR-72 effectively creates a corridor of invulnerability, threading its way through enemy defenses with unmatched speed and altitude. It doesn't just break the sound barrier, it shatters our understanding of what's possible in atmospheric flight, leaving a trail of innovation in its wake. The SR-72 stands as a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the limits at the very edge of speed and altitude and redefining the future of flight. The SR-72's performance hinges on its revolutionary propulsion system. The turbine-based combined cycle (TBCC) engine is 2 engines in one. It transitions from a modified turbine to a dual-mode ramjet, enabling Mach 6 speeds. This seamless transition is the key innovation, overcoming decades of hypersonic challenges. Advanced computational modeling and 3D printing solve the transition puzzle. The TBCC engine is not just an improvement, it's the key to reusable hypersonic flight. It unlocks the door to a new era of aviation, where speed knows no bounds. The SR-72's speed is its primary defense, but stealth enhances its survival. Its design minimizes radar detection, appearing as a small bird on enemy systems. Advanced radar-absorbent materials further reduce detectability. At over 80,000 feet, it's too high, fast, and faint to track reliably. The SR-72's AI enables autonomous navigation and decision-making at Mach 6. It processes data, manages engines, and executes missions in real time. The SR-72 is an intelligent platform, performing dangerous missions with precision. The SR-72 is designed as an unmanned aerial vehicle, freeing it from human constraints. Without a cockpit, it carries more fuel, sensors, and weapons. It maneuvers beyond human limits, executing sharp turns at hypersonic speeds. Unmanned, it reduces political risk, allowing high-stakes missions with less fallout. The SR-72 represents the future of aviation, where machines operate autonomously. It's a safer, more capable approach to mastering the hypersonic domain. The SR-72's journey began in 2013 with Lockheed Martin's bold announcement. By 2017, hypersonic technology matured, leading to test flights over Palmdale. A subscale vehicle hinted at rapid progress, sparking intense speculation. After 2018, secrecy increased as the program continued under classified budgets. By 2024, low-rate production was underway, with a first flight expected by 2025. The SR-72 is poised to enter service in the early 2030s, redefining air power. The SR-72 responds to a changing global security landscape. Adversaries like China and Russia challenge U.S. air superiority with advanced defenses. The SR-72's speed and unpredictability restore strategic advantage. It forces adversaries into a costly arms race, reacting to an unstoppable threat. The SR-72 ensures U.S. power projection and intelligence gathering in fortified regions. Unlike satellites, it offers a resilient, on-demand alternative. The SR-72's strike capability transforms it into a dynamic tool of statecraft. It bridges the gap between knowing and acting, changing the geopolitical chessboard. The SR-72 is America's ace card in the great power competition. The SR-72 redefines air power and strategic deterrence. Its arrival forces a re-evaluation of global air defense strategies. The SR-72's innovations in propulsion and materials impact the aerospace industry. It opens the door to rapid global travel and affordable space access. Operating with next-gen platforms, it ensures American air dominance. The SR-72 ushers in the hypersonic age, changing our perception of time and power. The future of air power arrives at Mach 6, building a new empire in the sky.